Hi everybody, it's Heather at Little Bird Blythe. I'm just going to show you this quickly because I've just done a video about making a Blythe doll or Barbie wardrobe using mount board, but this is an alternative idea. This is one I've had for a few years that I made, and it's so quick and simple and easy to make, and it doesn't involve any cutting particularly. So this is a wooden box that I got, and I do believe I got this and it had either wine or port in it. So again, this is sort of almost like a waste material, because once you've finished with it, you can see it had sort of something sliding in there. I do believe my brother bought it me for Christmas, and it had port and cheeses in it. So round Christmas time, this is a perfect time to start looking. Gift boxes with port and cheese in. These make absolutely super boxes for wardrobes. So all I did here, and it is very basic, and you have to excuse me, it's definitely not the best crafting I've ever done, but all I did was take some wallpaper sample and stuck that in the back. I then used 2 bobbins on the side, and these are literally just cardboard bobbins that had ribbon on them, and I covered them with some wallpaper as well and used those, sticking them to the side. I was then able to put some wooden dowel in between, and that makes a fantastic hanging rail. And you can get these cute little hangers here from eBay in 1/6 doll size. So they're absolutely super because they fit perfectly on my dowel. Obviously I'm filming sort of top down, so you can't really see that, but it does hold, it does stand up, and then you can hang all your dolly dresses on there. And I haven't bothered filling the holes in the top because usually you sort of see it straight on. But it's really good because then you can get little boxes and pile them up in here. And we've got a little mannequin. This is my daughter's mannequin. So this is one of those, I think they're called Haramika dolls or something like that. And I apologise, I might have totally butchered that. But it's a mannequin. It comes with pieces of fabric, and it's really great for kids because they can design their own clothes. They literally just put the fabric around it and then stick it into the back there, and you can make what look like doll dresses. So it's really great for them to do doll designing with little scraps of fabric. So I've got one of those in there as well, and we leave that in there. And normally we have lots of little dolly bags and boxes with underwear and things like that in, and that makes a lovely, quick, easy Blythe doll or Barbie wardrobe. So I thought I would quickly share that with you, just in case you were looking to make yourself some doll furniture and thought that that might be helpful. Quick, easy, cheap. Have a word with your uncles and whatnot and see if anybody has had one gifted to them recently, because often people get these and they don't know what to do with them afterwards. But I would imagine you'd be able to make this sort of thing really with any box or drawer or anything really. Just pop a little dowel across it. So there you go, just a quick share for you today. I hope you're having some dolly fun. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!